Hello guys, good morning everyone. Nagbabalik na naman sa surprise gift delivery and we are bound to Barangay Tibak, Santa Fe, Leyte para i-surprise si Ashley sa kanyang 18th birthday. Ayun, maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Jessica for choosing surprise gift delivery being a part of your daughter's birthday surprise. So ayun, ito nga pala yung isusin ng package natin. Meron tayong regalo para sa dalawang kapatid ni Ashley. Mayroon tayong surprise na regalo para sa kanila at meron tayong 18,000 worth of money bouquet para kay Ashley. Tapos meron tayo ditong fresh flower and meron tayong red ribbon cake. Tapos ang theme natin ngayon is yellow black as requested po ng ating client. So ayun, maraming salamat po for choosing surprise gift Mama Jessica. And guys, please don't forget to follow, like, and share our page. Surprise gift delivery. So ayun, God bless everyone. Keep safe and peace out.